Hey there, Ushma this side. OpenAI just make a big announcement, a major upgrade to ChatGPT that's causing quite a buzz. This update introduces a revolutionary for AI long-term memory. Now, ChatGPT can retain past conversations and utilize them in future interactions to assist or perhaps even challenges you. Let's dive into it. But before that, if you're really interested in learning AI tools, then we have an amazing workshop with us. Only rupees 9, link is in description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now, let's get back to our update. This may seem straightforward, but it's a game changer for AI chatbots. Imagine conversing with someone who forgets everything after each sentence the chatbot used to function until now. But with this new memory feature, ChatGPT remembers previous discussions, making conversations feel more natural and engaging. It also saves time, eliminating the need to repeat yourself. It could recall your account details, past inquiries, or even preferences like your favorite color or pizza order, providing a smoother experience. Consider calling your internet service provider and the AI assistant recalling troubleshooting steps from last week, saving you the hassle of repeating them. Beyond convenience, this memory upgrades open doors for ChatGPT to be utilized in more sophisticated ways. In healthcare, for instance, it could remember a patient's medical history, aiding doctors in a diagnosis and the treatment plans. Now, let's delve into how this memory feature upgrades functions. ChatGPT utilizes long-term memory technology, enabling it to store information from past interactions in a specialized database. Tools like Redis facilitate quick access to this information. Redis acts as a rapid filing cabinet for ChatGPT, aiding in retrieving relevant data for conversations. Another vital component is Memory GPT, a method that enhances ChatGPT's learning and memory functions. It not only stores past interactions but also comprehends their context. For instance, if you mention disliking crowded place, ChatGPT can remember this preference and suggest less touristy spots during your conversation. While this upgrade sounds impressive, it raises pertinent questions about AI social impact. It could lead to a world where various AI systems retain information over time, present both benefits and risks. Furthermore, it prompts discussion about AI and consciousness. Some experts view GPT's memory capability as a step toward AI consciousness, as memory is integral to human consciousness. However, concerns arise regarding AI's handling of complex situations. Instances like Microsoft Binge AI acting unexpectedly underscore the need for robust safety features to prevent harmful or misleading responses. Yet, some experts caution against overestimating AI's consciousness, arguing that ChatGPT's memory is simply a machine learning technique. Recently, OpenAI had to temporarily halt new signups for GPT's Plus due to overwhelming demand following their day event. This illustrates the challenges of scaling AI technologies to meet increasing demand. Remember to subscribe for more updates, and thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. This was Ushma signing off. Until next time.